Arrived on floor 8. Travel took 35.6 seconds.
Copy that.
Temperature 28.7 degrees.
5 degrees above average, but it's a hot day outside. You're okay.
This is the sound of machines talking to one another, intelligently. Machine conversations happening right now, live, around the world. Elevators talking with our intelligent cloud. And we listen together with IBM Watson IoT. When we listen, we can predict what will happen and tailor the perfect intelligent maintenance to each individual elevator. And now you can listen too.
Floor 26. Landed 12 millimeters high.
That's unusual for you.
Going up. Little noise. Slight vibration after start.
Got it. We'll schedule a maintenance technician to visit you.
To hear machines talk, visit machineconversations.kone.com.
Okay, so we have made elevators finally talk with us, and that's okay, kind of great. But I think that's just part of the equation, because other thing is then to understand what they are saying, and I think it's a little bit the same thing that I have been facing in home with my wife. You know, every now and then I have with friends some plans to have some guys weekend or evening out, and then I ask from my wife that if it's okay to go, and she's a great person, typically always saying yes, go ahead. But every now and then I have been starting to notice that there are kind of different shades of yes. Sometimes it's more yes to go than some other times. Anyone else having same kind of experiences? Okay, you know what I'm talking about. And I guess it's the challenge is that my poor capabilities to collect the insight of these different shades of yes. And luckily on Kone's side we have Watson to help us to figure out this insight, and of course one reason why Watson outperforms myself in this kind of thing is that it has much more data. In our case, we will have in a few years over 1 million connected devices, and we have over 400,000 customers, over 1 billion daily users. So obviously Watson has a whole lot more data to build the insight compared to me. I have a wife and a couple of events every now and then. But of course, like we saw, elevators communicate, we can build our maintenance business to new level thanks to the data. We can provide better reliability, ensure security, safety, and whole lot of new customer value in our maintenance business. And maintenance is, of course, we have been in maintenance business from the day one of Kone history. So that's our comfort zone, so to say. But we also see that we can build new kind of personalized services based on data, also to our 1 billion end users and 400,000 customers. But this is, let's say, a little bit different ball game in a way. And it's challenging also because as we want to provide the best people flow experience, it's not just looking to elevators or escalators, but we want to provide the experience all the way from outside the building up to the final destination. Is it hotel room, apartment, or office, or whatsoever? So it means that we are not mastering this whole journey ourselves. We need to bring also partners to work with us and their data and build collaboration. We are doing that with a lot of traditional companies from building businesses, but like many of you guys as well, also looking new innovative startups to work with. And we see that with the partners, we can truly make this best people flow experience happening. But the challenge from traditional companies like us is that these startups, they have a different logic of working. They are super agile, born digital and all that, and it's a challenge for us. We need to change our ways of working. And okay, we have been, like many of you guys as well, organizing hackathons to connect with the startups. Actually, just one and a half weeks ago, we had our latest hackathon in India. We had 2,500 teams signing up, so it was quite a job to manage, but great event. And besides hackathons, we are also collaborating with Plug and Play in Silicon Valley and things like that to really learn and connect with all the best startups. But like I said, it's a challenge for us how we should change the way we are working to be able to do it in a way that it's beneficial for them and for us. And we have been already today discussing a lot about technology. It's there. It's an enabler. We will have buildings connected. We are connecting all our equipments to IoT. Our employees are connected. End users, us all, we are end users. We are more and more connected, and so are our customers. So the data it's there. But what I see is the biggest challenge for the company like Kone, for example, and many other this kind of traditional manufacturing companies, that we have the existing traditional business there. Okay, we can enhance that with IoT and take that to the new level, but when we want to create some new business as well, it means that we come with these new digital business logics, new business models, new delivery chains, new sales channels. So I see that the challenge is that how we bring this new world into the same context with this old traditional world. And this is truly the execution challenge which makes the difference that how successful we can be in this. And I would like to use this opportunity for raising this challenge for the afternoon discussions, that I'm truly hoping that from this great group we can come up with some nice best practices or thoughts about how to make this happening in real life. It's always easy to do it on the PowerPoint and all that, but to really execute both traditional business, enhancing that, then bringing these new digital business logics and new digital services on top of that, and then also taking these new ways of working, what is required to collaborate with startups and all that. So how to execute all that? I would be really happy to hear your thoughts later today. I have also my colleague Mika Kemppainen here. Mika is somewhere. So we are really looking forward to hearing your thoughts on this. Thank you.